मैं अपने सर्टिफिकेट का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ.
I am awaiting my certificate. I am awaiting my certificate.
लम्हा गुजर चुका था.
The moment had passed. The moment had passed.
उसके साथ वाली खाली सीट.
The empty seat beside her. The empty seat beside her.
मैं कमरे के इस पार से इसकी नजरों से मिला.
I met her gaze from across the room. I met her gaze from across the room.
इसने चीजों के अक्साम को नोट किया.
She noted the types of materials. She noted the types of materials.
अपनी नजरें आसमान की तरफ उठाकर.
Raising her eyes to the sky. Raising her eyes to the sky.
इसने सितारों की तरफ देखा.
He looked up at the stars. He looked up at the stars.
खिड़की से बाहर देखा.
Gazed out over the window. Gazed out over the window.
किताब को इसके सर पर मारा.
Hit his head with a book. Hit his head with a book.
वो बूथ के पास रुक गई.
She stopped beside the booth. She stopped beside the booth.